Polydactyly is a disease whereby people are born with more than 5 fingers and or toes. So it's a dominant linked disease. It is linked to the dominant allele. So therefore, if someone is big P, they are a sufferer. If they are big P, they are a sufferer. But if they're little p, they've got a normal amount of fingers. So let's do a genetic cross using a Punnett square of two heterozygous parents, both of them big P, both of them sufferers of polydactyly. So now we do the Punnett square, and we now place the possible gametes of the parents on the top and the left-hand side and do the cross big P, little p, big P, little p, little p, little p. So the big P, little p will all have the disease polydactyly. Whereas the person with little p will not have the disease because they do not have the dominant allele. So now what are the chances of having a sufferer? That is going to be 75% because you only need one dominant allele to be a sufferer and a 25% chance of having a normal child. So if you've got two parents, one with big P, who's got the disease, and one little p, that doesn't. If you now do a genetic cross using a Punnett square of these two parents, what you're going to find out is that all the children are going to have polydactyly. So big P, little p, big P, little p, big P, little p, big P, little p. So there's going to be a 100% chance of having a child with the disease and a 0% chance of having a child without. So there'll be a 0% chance of having a child without because you only need one dominant allele for this disease. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding.